Hi guys, this is the first of 3 videos in which we will define all of the physical properties we use to identify different minerals. In this video, we will have a look at the physical properties of colour, streak and lustre. In the next video, we will look at hardness, cleavage and fracture, density and reaction with acid. And then in the third video, we will have a look at a table which summarises all of the mineral properties, and we will look at a flowchart which will help us to understand the path in which we should take in order to identify different minerals. The first property of minerals we'll have a look at is colour. Some minerals always have the same colour, but many minerals do show a range of colour, and these colour variations occur in minerals because it reflects the fact that the mineral actually contains impurities. Sometimes colour is not such a great indicator of what type of mineral we're looking at when we're trying to classify minerals, but sometimes it can be quite helpful. Here are a few examples of a few different minerals and their colours. Orthoclase feldspar is usually found to be pink. Quartz, when it is quite a pure mineral and doesn't contain any impurities, will be found to be a white or a clear colour. When quartz contains impurities, it can be pink or many different colours. Pyrite is always presented as usually a yellow or a brassy metallic colour. Muscovite mica is often a light colour, a sort of beigey or yellowy colour, and biotite mica will come often in a grey or a black colour. Here are a few more examples of the different colours of minerals. Here we have our orthoclase feldspar, which we've just looked at. We also have plagioclase feldspar, which is a quite lighter colour and comes often in a white or a light grey colour. We've seen our quartz, which as I said is often a light colour but can contain impurities from time to time. We've also seen our muscovite mica and our biotite mica. And then we have the rest of these minerals here. These aren't all the minerals we'll be having a look at, but this is just to give you an idea of the different colours we can find in all the different types of minerals. The next property of a mineral we normally look at is streak. Streak is the colour of the powder that is produced when we scrape the mineral across a harder surface. We normally scrape our minerals along ceramic plates, as you can see in this image here. The colour of the streak is much more constant than the colour of the crystal, and it therefore is a good indicator of what type of mineral we are looking at. Lustre is the word we use to describe how the surface of the mineral scatters light. We have categorised lustre into 3 main groups: metallic or submetallic, glassy, or earthy and dull. Here are some samples to illustrate what we mean by metallic or submetallic, glassy, and earthy and dull. So that's the end of our first video on the properties of minerals. In the next video, we will have a look at hardness, cleavage and fracture, density, and mineral reaction with acid.